Hey guys. Oh, hi Percy. Get out of here. Get! Nice. Okay, we're gonna do a burping contest, obviously. Okay, JT, you go first.
I already did.
Go big.
Percy, why are you in here? You have to be burping.
Yeah, get out, Percy. Get out.
Yeah, you're the fart turd today.
Yeah. Your turn. I think he's just gonna sit here and watch us burp. Can you? I don't even think they can see you, JT. Hang on. What kind of burp was that?
I don't know.
Okay, well, if you can't see JT, then yeah, sit on your knees.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there, like that. Okay, my turn. It's gonna be a good one. I hope. Kudos. Stop! Your turn.
High five.
Kudos. Ouch. My turn. Okay, enough with the high fives. Go. Hurry up, I have one.
Whoa. I laughed and burped at the same time.
Okay then. Go. Make it big. You need like a big one, like whoa, like that big, like whoa. No. Now that's a high five. Thanks. Thanks, that was really nice. High five.
Wow, sister.
Don't ever say that again. Okay. Is it your turn?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do this. No, I'm gonna try to make it really big. Good enough. Hang on. That was probably your best one so far. Which one was my best one? Do you hear that? Stuck in my ear. Okay, hang on. I'll try to get this one. Damn! That was the best one! Oh my god, oh my god. Okay.
Okay, that was bad.
That was good. Ow, ow, ow. Yeah. Open your mouth more. Good birthday, T. Okay, cute dog.
That was good too.
Yeah, he was. Whoa, he did this huge one this morning. I think I don't know on camera, but it was good. I'm gonna try to burp by YouTube. I'll try.
By YouTube.
Hey, no, wait, no.
Okay.
No.
Are you gonna try to burp by YouTube?
By YouTube.
Really silent.
We try that again.
I'll try to do something else.
Bye.
Round of applause.
I love you, YouTube.
Woo! Ow! Bam! Comment this, yo.